Hello beautiful people, my name is Ariani, also known as Uptown Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am actually going to be reviewing this little bad boy right here, which is the TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. I actually first became a fan of TGIN when I bought their collection, which was the honey, and I forgot the other the name of it, but it was the TGIN, the one with honey that had honey in it, and I really loved the products. I truly did enjoy them. But then, you know, I just kind of purchased different things because I wanted to try different things. And about 2 weeks ago, I actually went to Marshall's around my area, and I wasn't necessarily looking for a hair product, but I did see TGIN in sale for $10 in Marshall's, and I was like, let me buy this product, first of all to do a product review because I love doing product reviews, and because it just looked interesting. It just really did. So the first thing that I want to talk about this product is the packaging. I really like the fact that it comes in a plastic bottle, and then it has a pump. I initially was having a little bit of problems with like the pump because it's kind of hard. I'm not sure if the company did it exactly like that, so you can use less product, but it is a little bit stiff when you use the pump. Another thing that I like about the packaging is the color. I don't know, it just looks good, and I guess it is reflecting the rose water, but I really love the fact that it has a pump. I think it was a really great price at $10. I'm not sure if I would buy it at the regular price because I'm not sure where you guys are buying it, but I did get it for $10 in Marshall's. Now let's talk about styling, because that's probably why you're here. So this is actually my first time using the product, and I did style my hair using the product today, so it looks like this. What I really love about this product is the definition. Wow, I mean, it really defines hair really, really good. I am pretty almost certain that this is kind of like one of those products that truly has defined my hair beautifully. I always have like problems with having like really nice defined curls, and this product defines my curly hair really, really well. And I truly enjoy that. And I really love the fact that you don't have to use a lot of product in order to achieve this. One product that I'm gonna give you a reference that is kind of like the gel that I use is the Camel Rose Curl Maker. Kind of like the only hair gel that I have like in my hair, like my shelf of hair products. So, and one way that these two products differ is that I feel the TGIN Rose Water Gel is a little bit more lightweight, so it doesn't weight your hair down. And I truly love that. I feel like one thing that I have struggled with in the past is finding a hair gel that defines my hair, but it doesn't weigh it down. I usually have that problem with hair gels, and I can tell you that this hair gel does not do that. It actually really gives you the definition, but it doesn't take away from the volume. And honestly, like, I'm so in love with that. Another thing that I would like to mention is that this product does not clump your hair. Like, it doesn't like make it clumpy. And so if you're looking for a gel that gives you definition without weighing it down and that doesn't clump your hair, this gel definitely do that for my hair. And that is, again, one of the pros notice about using this hair gel. One con that I found out when using this product for 2 weeks is that it kind of has like little like white stuff in the air. Like if you touch it a lot, like if you do this, I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but it kind of has like little white particles, like little white particles. It doesn't, you don't really necessarily see it in the hair. Like, you know, sometimes how products just build up in the hair and you can see it. You don't really see it like that, but like if you shake your hair, you could see the little like specks of, you know, products that they come, like that you can see in the air. Like if you shake your hair, I don't know how else to describe it, but that's definitely a con that I saw with this hair gel. I would personally recommend this hair gel for somebody that is looking for a lot of definition, so a lot of curl definition without weighing your hair down. This is kind of like, when it comes to volume, this is kind of like right in the middle, because I usually find that like creams give you the most volume, but they don't give you a lot of definition. So this is right in the middle. This is for somebody that's looking for definition that wants volume. And after using this product for 2 washes and kind of goes, you know, those are not really wash and goes, as you can see, but after using this product for 2 weeks, I would definitely purchase it again. I'm really sold on the fact that I've never had a product before that defines my hair so well and that doesn't weigh it down. And I can't stop talking about that, because I think that's that for me is like the best thing about this product. And if you found anything of value in this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you have a question that I did not answer about this product, please feel free to comment below. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.